Look at that. That looks amazing and it smells good too. Look at that. What is that? You know, I'm sure I'm glad that you're not with me just because of the way I look. Because Lord have mercy, I know you would have been broke up with me. Look at this. Look at this, y'all. What?
Look, we need to do this video. I tried to do a video for y'all on this car wash, but my dead cat was bouncing up and down in the way.
I think you can still post it.
Listen, a dead cat, if y'all don't know, that's just the windscreen. For y'all, before y'all call PETA, talking about he got a dead cat in his car. It's a windscreen. That's all it is.
It's a fuzzy windscreen.
I might still post the video. I don't know. I think I might be able to cut around it. We'll see.
Let me see. I ain't even seen the video.
But anyways, today's video, though, we need to talk about 500 subscribers. We're knocking on the door, y'all.
And I'm not knocking on nothing. I'm just going to open it.
Ooh.
What?
There's a kebab restaurant right there.
Do you eat halal kebab?
I mean, I didn't know it was there. Anyways, guys, we're talking about 500 subscribers. We are about, 20-something away from 500. So we should hit it, hopefully, sometime this coming week. And that means the giveaway's coming.
Ow.
So, if you're watching this video and you aren't subscribed, there's still time. I mean, we may not be there the way she's driving, but... But anyways, we're giving away... What are we giving away? I decided to get... Yeah, well, that's the grand prize. The grand prize, we're not going to talk about that yet. Let's start out small. I was thinking about some Amazon gift cards. How's that sound? 3 Amazon gift cards?
Yes.
For $25 a piece. Shamilia's money.
Get on your side.
Right, I noticed that. You need to get from beside her.
Well, I mean, I'm getting ready to turn right here.
She a student driver.
Clearly.
Hey,
looking off in my face.
And this truck's about to ram you in the back.
In my face.
Because
it's a ram, so.
There
go Jason's Deli.
Where's it at?
It's right here in the corner.
Y'all, I'm about to get this. I sound like you now. Y'all.
Hey, y'all. Y'all.
Anyway, I'm about to get this,
Reuben.
This Reuben the Great from Jason's Deli, man. I ain't had a Reuben in.
I opted for sushi from Volcano. Got me a shrimp tempura and a volcano.
A volcano?
Volcano roll.
What is that?
It's spicy. I don't know what kind of meat it is. It's cooked, though. I don't eat raw fish. It's cooked fish, but it's spicy. Autism awareness and acceptance.
That's right. Anyways,
I put my head on for these folks.
Really?
Shamilia
don't have her hair done again, so she's
got
a backwards baseball cap.
Because if I put it on front ways, it look even worse. So I'm gonna just leave that.
But that's what it is, man. 3 $25 Amazon gift cards. The grand prize is the DIODE Dynamics light kit for your headlights. I think it's 2019 through 2021 Dodge Chargers. You will have to open the headlight housing to install these, so just be aware. I'll put a link in the description of this video too, so y'all can check it out.
So y'all, if you would like to be entered for a chance to win a $25 Amazon gift card, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel, 1, and 2, comment on this video, #gift card, to be entered for that drawing. That's how you're going to get up in there.
And then the lights.
What they got to do?
#lights.
Oh.
Put #lights. If you want to be entered in both, just put #gift card and #lights in one comment. And please only leave one comment. Spamming it isn't going to get you anywhere.
You're only going to be entered once.
You might not be entered once. I might disqualify you for wasting my time. Because you don't want to follow the rules.
That's me.
That's not me.
Don't be trying to win them lights if you drive a 2005. No offense to anybody that drive an older model. I'm just saying.
I mean, they can win them and sell them or something, whatever. You know what I'm saying?
You're right.
I don't care what you do with them.
keep in mind that they fit 2019 to 2021.
But yeah, I'll put a link in the description of the video to the Diode Dynamics listing on their website so that you guys can research it and see if it's something that you want. If not, get one of them their Amazon gift cards and go crazy on Amazon with your $25. Buy
Can I enter the
Hey, Amazon, what is it called? Amazon Days or something? What's it called? It's coming up, I know. It's like Amazon Day or something, whatever it's called. I don't know. But
is anybody excluded from the content?
I mean, family and friends are obviously not going to be included. So if you're a personal friend, unfortunately, you're not going to be included just for the integrity of the drawing. Don't want that to happen.
Can I? Can I use my social media account to?
I mean, you can, but it's not going to be counted. You can do whatever you want. Just right on out. Send you a bill for wasting my time. Who?
Oh, I thought I saw some smoke.
Who wants some smoke? They want some smoke? Anyway, y'all, yeah, just leave a comment on the video and we'll, once we hit 500 subscribers, we'll release details on when we will do the actual drawing. So as of now, we're only at like, what, 470? Well, not only, but we're at 470 something, which is actually pretty good considering our channel's still young in its infancy stages.
Still a tenderoni.
Yeah. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's it. You got anything else?
I hope y'all have a great day. I'm about to go do my hair, so don't worry. It'll be done for the next video. Look at this. What the heck? What the heck? Let me just tuck that joint away.
People gonna start unsubscribing looking at that. Anyways, guys, we will see y'all on the next video. Peace.
If it's anybody that's in the comments that knows how I'm really supposed to do this wasabi, let me know, because I just be spreading it on there. And sometimes it be burning the heck out of my, I don't even know what that is, my sinuses, I guess. Look at that. I also barely know how to hold stuff with a chopstick, so if it falls, that's just what it is. Oh, look at that. Look how healthy that looks. Not for real, it don't.
Really healthy right here.
Okay.
I think it's pastrami, healthy pastrami. Y'all got a Jason's Deli near you, get some of this. It's good. It's almost, they got like salsa mixed in it. Try some of that.
Just
that's real good right there.
Really? Let me get some corn.
It's my battery on this camera. So.
That is good.
I'm not going to show you her hair, but that wasabi got you lit up, didn't it?
Oh, yeah. Got up in my nose.